Hey, want to get Ableton Live 12 standard on your machine without the hassle? You're watching the right video. I'm breaking down the fastest way to set it up in under 60 seconds. Make sure to watch until the very end to get everything right. Let's dive in. To start off, you'll need to download Installer, which you can find on our website. It will download all the core resources needed for the further installation. Let's get to it. Alright, all the files are ready. Now, let's proceed with the further installation to get everything set up properly. Let's go. As you can see, the official installation is now complete. Now we can open the app and check if everything is running correctly. Let's take a look. It's working flawlessly. You can grab this and more software from our official webpage. Thanks for your time and enjoy your new setup.